back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great new year, and yeah, so this video is gonna be my room tour. And yeah, I'm just super excited to finally have the room of my dreams. Like, I'm absolutely in love with every single thing that this room consists of. Honestly, I was genuinely a little bit embarrassed of my previous house because it had a lot of cracked walls. And yeah, I mean, I know there's nothing to be embarrassed for. And I genuinely understood that a lot later, that it doesn't really matter because that's who I was and that's who I am, and this is also who I am. So hope you guys are excited for this room because I am very excited. Okay, so follow me. This is my door, and as soon as you turn around, and the first thing that you see is this beautiful table, this beautiful black table. All of these furniture items are actually made by the people who worked here, like the renovators and stuff, like the interior designer we hired and stuff like that. So this beautiful table, and there's just this beautiful Japanese inspired diffuser on top. This was a gift, so I don't know where this is from. And then right next to that is this beautiful bed. I mean, it's absolutely my dream bed. You can see, like, this headboard is literally my dream headboard. It's a little too modern for me, but after it was done, I ended up loving it so much. I mean, it's my favorite thing in this room, definitely. I have these pink bed sheets on, and this is like my favorite shade of pink. And I also have these two beautiful pillows. They look like they're quilted, and I just love them. They just go so well with this room. And I have this throw blanket which is from IKEA. I just love it. It's super pretty. So yeah, that's my bed. And right above my bed I have these LED light strips. They make the room feel really cozy. And I mean, you can't see much right now, but it makes the whole room very yellowy and cozy and wintry. And right above those lights are my two favorite prints. One's a New York City print and one's a beautiful woman in a dress. I mean, I'm obsessed with both of these. I use the New York City one as like a manifestation thing so that I can look at it every day and go to New York City this year. I love New York, and I haven't been there, of course. And I also have some storage above those paintings. Like, there's storage going all along in this house. Then right next to that is my bedside table. I have this beautiful lamp, and I have two drawers. The bottom one has all of my skincare and stuff. It's a mess, but yeah. And this is the current book that I'm reading. It's a very nice book. I mean, you all should go ahead and read it. And also I use this candle as my jewelry tray because I need to get one, but it works cutely for my daily jewelry. And I just have my scrunchie here, the AC remote. Also, this lamp is also from IKEA. Right next to my bedside table are my beautiful windows. I mean, look at them. They're literally a painting. I don't need any of these. They look so beautiful. I just love them, and I have some blinds for them and my air conditioner. And I also have a black fan because there's a lot of black going on here. Beautiful windows is my wardrobe. I have these two huge things, and they store clothes, of course. I'll show you some. I put all of my thrifted clothes in this section. I mean, I'm obsessed. And also some that I've made on my own, like this one door. Like, I put each sequin on this myself. So yeah, I have some of these. All of the rest are thrifted, and they are beautiful. This is like the collection I'm proud of, and I'm building it as we go. If you remember a video I did 2 years ago, I only had 5 clothes that I have thrifted, and now have so many. I'm making progress, and I'm gonna buy a lot more. So next to this section are some of our bags, my sister and my bags. They're cute. The rest of it is a mess, so I'm not going to show that. Okay, I'll show you some of them. This is one, this is the other half of that, and I think it looks amazing. These are all of the dresses my sister and I own. We keep everything together. I mean, it looks pretty. It is a mess, so I'm not going to show anything, but it contains all of our jeans, ghar ka clothes, and skirts and stuff like that. Also, how cute is this keychain? I mean, it's so cute, right? Right next to it is my working station. I love this. It's my desk, and it's like this wooden thing, and there's this black thing next to it. I also requested that I wanted a place where I could keep my sewing machine. So my sewing machine goes inside this hole, so that, like, when I don't want it to be seen, it's not seen, right? I mean, it's a little seen, but ignore that. So I can work and do other stuff here while my machine is inside, resting, sleeping, and yeah. Above that, I have this beautiful shelf thingy. I have this beautiful vase with fake flowers. This entire thing is from IKEA. This Polaroid camera and this frame that says, "You are the main character," because that's the name of my business. It says main character. So yeah, you can go and follow me on Instagram and shop something from there. I just have these two storage baskets, and up we go. I have a few books that I've read and a beautiful plant also from IKEA. I've read most of these books actually. I just haven't read two, and I'm planning to build this entire thing and fill it up entirely with books. Like, I want books everywhere, and I also want another unit that has books in it. I am recently getting into books. Colleen Hoover is like the queen of book talk, and she's been very famous lately, but I know that her books aren't the most loved by a lot of mature readers, so I really want to get into other readers. So yeah, and that's my desk situation. I also have this very cozy chair. I'm about to show you guys my dream stationery situation. So this is all the stationery I own. I have a lot of erasers, and these are my threads and pens and sketch pens and color pencils and some mold paints and glue drops and post-its and beads, because I keep making jewelry every day, like literally, and pencils and blah blah blah. But I'm in love with this. It helps me every single day. And right next to my workstation is this beautiful mirror. I mean, who doesn't love this mirror? I want one person to tell me in the comments down below that you don't love this mirror, because I am obsessed with this mirror. It's so pretty. I got exactly what I wanted. Also, look at this. This is so Pinteresty and beautiful. I'm obsessed. Also, you can see the view. Like, when you stand here, you can take a picture of the view and stuff like that. And the bed, I mean, it's beautiful. Right next to the mirror is this beautiful light, and let me switch it on. So it switches on, and the best part about this is that you can see it in the reflection and it looks like the moon. Don't tell me you think this doesn't look like the moon. Like, oh my god, that is the prettiest thing I've seen all day. I was shook when I discovered that, because that's just so pretty. Look at that. It also has the texture of the moon. You can't see it from here, but like, look at that. It's the door again, and here we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do like, comment, share, subscribe. I look like a mess right now, but yeah, I hope you guys do. Like, I'm literally in the ocean right now. Wow. Wow, this is cool, yeah. And the moon. I hope you guys like it. Please do let me know in the comments down below what you all love the most. And also, let me know if you want a link for something. I can definitely link it down below. So, see you guys in my next video. Bye.